Sounds about right. Yeah. Give me that animal cookie. Shit feeling like a movie. Yeah, it's Attila the G. Just chillin' and smoking some weed. Out here just peeping the scene. While I roll up this hit green. I'm a lean green rolling machine. Out here like a killing machine. Yeah, it's Attila the Driller, the Terminator. Niggas call me Schwarzenegger. Thinking I'll be back. Nah, bitch, I think I'm coming later. You can see that I get that paper. Get it cut like an instant taper. When I'm smoking on that loud, best bet I'm rolling paper. Sit, smoke my gas. Got me thinking about my past. Thinking how to get that back. Making sure my money lasts. Gotta grind, catch your shine. Gotta clean the world that's mine. Gotta fix up my design. Let them see my crazy mind. I done fucked around and smoked all the cookies. This shit that I'm smoking have you in the movie. I don't know why my niggas acting goofy. All I know is that we smoking on some good weed. I done fucked around and smoked all the cookies. This shit that I'm smoking have you in the movie. I don't know why my niggas acting goofy. All I know is that we smoking on some good weed. Shazam! Gotta change real quick, turn to a nigga one trick. Gotta show my speed of mercury every time whenever I spit. Feels like a
Attila, where you at? Let me chill, smoke that gas.
And you know I gotta ask, are you gonna give some ass? Cause this weed ain't for free, this shit cost some currency. Are you giving up that bird box? This weed gon' help you see. Got no Twitter, no retweets. Be on Snap but barely. But I stay on the book cause hella people message me. My hotline is blinging, calling all the hoes. Niggas, they know me, cause I sell that dope. They know Attila the G. Cause they know Attila for rapping, smoking weed. You know how I bleed, you know how I breathe. I'm high, I feel a takeover, but on Quavo I take the lead. I just smoked a zip, I bought another zip. This shit got me off my ass, I feel another trip. I done fucked around and smoked all the cookies. This shit that I'm smoking have you in the movie. I don't know why my niggas acting goofy. All I know is that we smoking on some good weed. I done fucked around and smoked all the cookies. This shit that I'm smoking have you in the movie. I don't know why my niggas acting goofy. All I know is that we smoking on some good weed. Yeah, man, it's Attila the G. Go crazy. Hot shit, hot shit.